Hello friends, welcome to our channel History for You presented by UBE Media. Today we will take you through the time in which an inventor changed the way America fought wars. This is the story of Gatling gun and its creator Richard Jordan Gatling. So join us in the journey of time. On November 4, 1862, a watershed moment in the history of warfare occurred when Richard Jordan Gatling, a physician and inventor from Indianapolis, Indiana, was granted US patent number 36836 for his groundbreaking invention, the Gatling rapid fire gun. This rapid fire machine gun was intended to revolutionize the way fighting occurred during the war and inspire a new era in military technology. The inspiration behind Gatling's ingenious creation stemmed from the harrowing scenes he witnessed during the American Civil War. As the war progressed, he could not help but deeply affected by staggering casualties and immense suffering it caused. Gatling was forced to do something that would reduce human losses in the war. His vision was clear. His goal was to design a weapon that would enable a single soldier to deliver firepower on a scale previously unimaginable, potentially saving countless lives on the battlefield. The essence of Gatling's invention lay in his mechanical genius. The Gatling gun functioned using a rotating series of barrels positioned around a central axis. This innovative design allowed the weapon to fire continuously without the need for manual reloading, as was the case with muskets. As each barrel rotates into position, it is loaded with a cartridge, fired, and then extracted before passing to the next barrel in the sequence. The gun was fired by hand, and this mechanical operation allowed it to achieve a remarkable firing rate of up to 200 rounds per minute, an astonishing feat at that time. Eager to demonstrate the transformative potential of his invention, Gatling presented the Gatling gun to the US Army in 1863. However, initial reactions were cautious, as the military establishment was somewhat skeptical of adopting such a radical change from traditional firearms. It was not until the siege of Petersburg from 1864 to 1865 that the American army finally recognized the revolutionary capabilities of the Gatling gun. During this long conflict, the Gatling gun was deployed in action, and its devastating firepower left an indelible impression on military leadership. After its successful demonstration in Petersburg, the Gatling gun was officially adopted by US Army in 1866, marking a turning point in the history of military technology. The Gatling gun was not limited to the American battlefield. It found utility in various other conflicts, both domestically and abroad. It played an important role in Indian Wars and the Spanish-American War, where its rapid and sustained firepower made it an invaluable asset. The success of proliferation of the Gatling gun extended beyond American borders, with countries such as Britain, France, and Russia also recognizing its potential and adopting it for their military needs. The advent of Gatling gun had a profound impact on warfare. It marked a paradigm shift in the way battles were fought, allowing armies to field unprecedented level of firepower. The gun's ability to rapidly fire large quantities of rounds was a game changer and provided a substantial advantage on battlefield. This allowed smaller forces to potentially overcome larger forces as the sheer volume of fire produced overwhelmed the opposition. While the Gatling gun was the first successful rapid fire machine gun, it was not the last. As the late 19th century progressed, other inventors tried to improve upon Gatling's design, leading to the development of new and more efficient machine guns. Prominent among these were the Maxim gun made by Sir Hiram Maxim and the Maxim gun by Benjamin P. It was a Hotchkiss gun designed by Hotchkiss. These successors offered increased reliability, high rates of fire, and further advances in machine gun technology. Despite being influenced by these new designs, the Gatling gun remains an iconic weapon in the annals of military history. The Gatling gun is a symbol of innovation and its ability to reshape the course of history, especially in the context of armed conflict. So, this was the story of the rapid fire Gatling gun and its inventor Richard Jordan Gatling. If you liked our stories, then like our video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification of upcoming videos. Thank you.